Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. This is my encouragement to you today to stay motivated. Stay motivated through hard times, through dips in the market, through tough times at work, through strife and stress, and all of that. I want you to stay motivated. I've been working a lot this week. That's why I haven't been on a lot last week. I finished my cryptocurrency course, which closes on the 20th at midnight Eastern time. So if you want to get to that course, look at the description box, click that link, get yourself in. I'm going to put a link here in a little while for my ebook that I just finished, so you can buy the ebook. If you're not sure if you want the course, it's up to you. The joint project I have with Dr. Watkins, the cryptocurrency investing masterclass, it's still open for enrollment. We're in week 2 of week 8, and there's a lot of goodies, and it's jam-packed with goodness. But get into any of that, it's all in the description box. Feel free to check it out. But why you need to stay motivated. I've been working a lot. I've been working long hours this last week, and it reminded me of why I wanted to go out on my own, why I wanted to start my own business and kind of get away from that 9-to-5 grind. And it's not because I fear hard work. It's because I want to work that hard for myself and my family and my next generation. So it's not the hard work part that's bothering me or keeping me down or back. It's the part about working so hard and I'm not getting a direct benefit from it. And as you get older, or even when you're younger, you want to work hard for benefit. You want to work hard with a profit motive. You want to work hard for some kind of return, some kind of gain. So that's why you do it. Those of you investing in cryptocurrency, the market's been dipping a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doom about it being the end of the bull run. A lot of you have been chasing a high, chasing these altcoins and losing money. And you hate crypto right now, and a lot going on with it. I encourage you to learn about cryptocurrency, take my course, and invest and just let it sit. Take your time, learn the ins and outs, learn the ups and downs, learn why the market is the way it is, how it will likely return, and how you can make profit out of it. If you just start running and you don't know where you're going, you're going to end up very far, very fast where you don't want to be. So slow down. Take it all in, get the foundation that you need to build so that you can be successful in the future. Those of you investing in cryptocurrency and you're not loving it right now, I assure you it's because you don't understand it. That's how I was 4 years ago. I didn't understand it, and it caused me a lot of frustration. So once you understand what's happening, you will enjoy it much more. You won't be so susceptible to the ups and the downs and all of the fear mongering and the fear of missing out. And you'll really start to ride that wave and enjoy it. Remember, for every high, there's a low, and for every low, there's a high. You just have to be patient enough to wait for it, understand it, and be ready with the money to get it. Those of you not wanting to spend money to invest in cryptocurrency, you weren't going to make any money anyway because it takes money to make money. And that is with everything. That's starting your business. You got to have some starter money, some seed money to get it growing. That's when investing in the stock market. That's when investing in companies, mutual funds, your Roth IRA, your retirement fund, and cryptocurrency. You start with money and you build from there. Invest in yourself 1% a day, reach your exponential greatness, and have phenomenal results at the end of any given year. This is The Real Teddy Talks, signing off.